Hey there campers, here's how you can lower the drawbridge in Outbound. I'm sure you've already noticed this drawbridge while driving through the starting area of the game. If you're wondering how to lower it, you'll first need to repair the broken wooden bridges located at the spots I'm pointing to on the map. Each bridge requires 10 everwood planks to repair. If you don't know how to get them, there's also a detailed guide on the channel showing exactly how to collect them. Once the wooden bridges are repaired, cross over to the other side and follow the path leading back toward the drawbridge, which is marked by a question mark icon. When you arrive, step out of your vehicle and approach the tower beside the drawbridge. Climb up the ladder to reach the controls inside the tower, then simply interact with them to lower the bridge. With the drawbridge now lowered, you can easily travel between the starting area and the next region, and that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.